estimating the shear strength of binary blended concrete incorporated with hydrated lime via artificial intelligence technique. By C. T. G. Avodiji, D. O. Onwuka and S. Sool. This analytical study examined the shear strength of blended Portland cement concrete with hydrated lime, HL, added as an additive. For a variety of mix ratios, 120 shear strength values were empirically acquired at 7, 14, 21, and 28 days. The ingredients of this concrete were water, Portland cement, PC, HL, granite chips, GC, and river sand, RS. 96 of the findings were used to create a Levenberg-Marquardt backpropagation artificial neural network, ANN, for measuring the concrete's shear strength. The 24 outcomes that were not employed were utilized to test the forecast's efficacy of the ANN. The 6 input variables in the model were the proportions of water, curing age, PC, HL, RS, and GC. The measured value of the shear strength was the output variable. One hidden layer comprising 20 neurons was implemented. The highest 28-day shear strength value of 1.257 Newton per square millimeter was recorded when 13.75% of PC was supplanted with HL for a water-to-cement ratio of 0.58. The ANN's performance demonstrated that the model was implemented well enough. The network forecast and experimental values yielded root mean square errors, RMSE, ranging from 0.078 to 0.06536. These are nearly equal to 0. Furthermore, the calculated factor of agreement, IA, was found to be between 0.0475 and 0.1747. These are within the predetermined range of 0 to 1 for varied consistency. R values for the training, validating, testing and for all data were 0.96978, 0.96303, 0.95739, and 0.96624 accordingly. These were all close to 1, meaning that the model fits very well with the data sets. The most significant average percentage error between the experimental outcomes and the forecasts made by the model was calculated to be 2.5066%. Finally, there is no longer a requirement for experimental laboratory study because the developed ANN can be utilized to forecast the shear strength of hydrated lime cement concrete with convincing accuracy, thereby saving time and energy during the concrete mix design process. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.